Welcome to the Center of Excellence and Innovation for Highlands Agriculture and Agro-Technology Park, MARDI, Cameron Highlands. Located 1 kilometer from the town of Tanarata, the center spreads across 100 acres with an altitude of 1,400 meters above sea level, providing pleasant temperatures all year round. It was established by the British government in 1925 as the Federal Experimental Station. After the Malaysian independence, it was taken by the Ministry of Agriculture that houses the Departments of Agriculture, Fisheries and the Veterinary Services. The station was handed over to MARDI in the year 1971. The main functions of this station are for research and development, technology transfer and commercialization, and also as an agro-technology park. The park was officially opened by His Royal Highness the Sultan of Pahang on 14th June 2003. MARDI Agro-Tourism Program is based on a concept of an agro-technology park that emphasizes the value of knowledge while generating an income. Based on the concept of technology, innovation, conservation, education and recreation, visitors can explore the technologies developed and experience the living classroom with beautiful landscapes and dynamic ecosystems. These activities will raise awareness and educate the public that the research and development of agriculture also has its own aesthetic value. The entrance square starts at the main gate. Visitors can see the temperature tower and MARDI's main building in the form of a Tudor design at the foot of Mount Berumbun. The resting area and the curved wall themed with leader in agro-technology are located adjacent to the Technology Information Center. At the Technology Information Center, visitors will find a briefing corner, posters, and books for sale. Before entering the park, visitors must purchase their tickets individually or as a package at the counter. The herb garden has temperate herbs such as rosemary, oregano and lavender. The English garden houses the Impatiens Arena, 8-shaped pond and a waterfall. Among the collection in the wild orchid garden are the slipper and the bamboo orchids. The flower garden and the edible garden are icons in this park. There are seasonal flowers such as snapdragon and foxgloves, and also perennial flowers such as roses and azaleas. From time to time, there are tulips for display. Bees and trigona bees act as a natural pollinating agent. The pergola is decorated with lady slipper vine that shapes like shoes and also the jade vines that bloom all year round. Visitors will see various colors and fragrances from the rose garden. There are rose vines, single roses, and roses that come in bouquets. Among the plants available in the edible garden are leafy vegetables such as lettuces, cabbages, and Brussels sprouts. The animal garden houses rabbits and agapornis birds. Research activities are carried out by MARDI's researchers and also in collaboration with the locals as well as international agencies and universities. They conduct research on water and soil conservation, production of compost, vermicomposting, and alternative fertilizer. Pest and disease are managed by using biological control, cultural practices and the use of pheromone and cullet traps intended of greening Cameron Highlands. Plant Diagnostic Lab offers diagnosis and consultation services to farmers. Fertigation is a modern technique in agriculture, whereby a complete fertilizer solution is applied directly to the plant's root zone through an irrigation system. Other researches conducted are planting medium, efficient water and fertilizer management, systematic agronomic practices, optimum plant density, and effective support systems. Post-harvest management of agricultural product is vital to obtain good market. Tomatoes should be separated by size using a grading machine before being transported for sale. Research starts in the laboratory, tested at the field as an upscale and proceed as a model farm to be promoted to the target groups. There are model farms of strawberries, commercial flowers, tomatoes, lettuces, and various crops. There are also temperate crops such as apples, grapes, maple, raspberries, and there's more available. The park houses the oldest tea plantation in Malaysia, existed since 1927. Tea shoots are harvested every 45 days and processed in the oldest tea factory, which was built back in 1935. The factory was back in operations after the renovation by the Ministry of Tourism Malaysia in 2011. Test bed is a processing laboratory equipped with machinery, equipment and small-scale production facility for selected food products. The test bed at MARDI has produced many entrepreneurs in producing products from strawberries, bilimbi and roselle. The park has a variety of facilities and amenities. Among them are English cottage, holiday apartments, sales centers, fresh strawberry stalls, meeting rooms, facilities for the disabled, gazebos and open spaces. Cameron Highlands has 13 trails, 2 of which began in the MARDI compound heading towards the Mozi Forest on Mount Berumbun. MARDI Cameron Highlands, toward the center of sustainable highlands agriculture. MARDI Cameron Highlands Agro-Technology Park awaits your arrival.